Dear friends, I am delighted to bring to you the workshop which is on certification of learning and developmental professionals and also helps trainers in a manner that they can effectively transfer learning to the classroom participants. This is from the 25th to the 27th of February at Hotel Melua, Hiranandani Gardens, Hawaii. My email is also on the slide. If you take a screenshot, you'll be able to email me, and I look forward to your joining this workshop. So what it would do to you is important, but the benefits that actually accrue to you as a participant. As a learning and development professional or a trainer, you would understand how strategic objectives and training needs assessment form the core of designing an effective learning session. They should inform you in a manner where you can write the learning objectives. For example, if it is giving presentations to the top management, what are the 3 skills that are necessary and the participant doesn't have one of them? Example, listening. So you write down the learning objectives which cater to improvement in listening capabilities of the participant. So the learning objectives, if they are in order and you design the content or you write the content in a manner where the learning objectives get fulfilled, for example, an exercise on listening, a lecture on listening, a PowerPoint presentation on listening could be the content. So how to design that content? And after that, how do you actually put the instructional methodologies? For example, if the learning objective is at the end of the workshop, the participant would be able to list the 3 elements of active listening. A lecture would do, a PowerPoint presentation will be sufficient, or reading an article. But if it is to demonstrate active listening, then you need a role play. So the instruction methodology, setting it up, is critical to seeing that the content actually is delivered in a manner where the learning objectives, that is what the participant can do, to what standards the participant can perform at the end of the session is met. Finally, these changes are required so the performance improves. And if the performance improves, what are the tangible benefits, what are the intangible benefits? And how do we calculate the return on investment that we made? So this is what the core design of this workshop, which enables any trainer, any learning and development professional to perform their jobs far, far better. We look forward to your participating in this workshop and learning from us. It will also help you, in fact, in a project if you wish to see that this learning is kept implemented by you to the fullest extent, and that will become proficient in each of these concepts. Thank you. Look forward.